Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. In this story, Mia has a problem at work. Her computer file will not open before an important meeting. She feels nervous and stressed. But a kind coworker helps her step by step. As you listen, try to answer this question. What does Mia need to restart to fix the problem? Don't worry, the answer will appear naturally in the story. And later, you can write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember new words more easily. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy today's English listening story.
Daniel, can you help me?
Of course. What happened?
My computer is not working.
It's okay. Take your time.
I need this file for the meeting.
I understand. Let's check together.
I tried many times already.
That's okay. We can try again.
The file will not open.
What do you see on the screen?
I see a small box with a message.
Can you read the message slowly?
It says, "File cannot open."
Okay, thank you.
I feel nervous right now.
It's okay to feel nervous.
The meeting starts soon.
We still have some time.
Really?
Yes, don't worry too much.
I'm sorry. I'm still new here.
No problem. Everyone needs help sometimes.
Thank you for saying that.
I'm here to help you.
Okay.
First, let's check your computer.
Okay.
Is the internet working?
I think so.
Can you open the internet browser?
Yes. One moment.
Take your time.
Okay. It opened.
Good. The internet is working.
So the problem is the file.
Maybe. Let's check step by step.
Okay.
Can you click the file one more time?
Okay, I clicked it.
What happened?
The same message is here again.
That's okay. Now we know the problem is still there.
I feel a little stressed.
You're doing well, Mia.
Really?
Yes, you are calm and you are trying.
Thank you, Daniel.
Let's keep going together. Okay, Mia, let's check a few more things.
Okay.
First, is your computer slow today?
Yes, a little slow.
I see.
Is that bad?
Not always. It's okay.
Okay.
Let's check the program now.
The work program?
Yes, that one.
Okay.
Please click the program icon.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
The program is open now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now try to open the file again.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time.
It still does not work.
What message do you see now?
It says, "Please wait."
Okay, let's wait a little.
I hope it works.
Me too.
Oh, now the message is gone.
And the file?
The file is still closed.
That's okay. We can try again.
I feel bad
Why?
because you are busy too.
It's no problem. I'm happy to help.
Thank you.
You're doing well.
I'm trying.
That's important.
What should we check now?
Let's check the internet again.
Okay.
Can you open a website?
Yes.
Is it fast or slow?
It looks normal.
Good. The internet is working.
So the internet is okay?
Yes, I think so. Don't worry, we still have ideas.
Really?
Yes, tech problems happen all the time.
Even to you?
Oh yes, many times.
Really?
Of course.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now let's check one more thing.
Okay.
Please click File at the top.
Here?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I clicked it.
Very good.
Thank you for helping me slowly.
No problem. Take your time.
I feel a little calmer now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Let's keep checking.
Yes, let's do it step by step. Okay, Mia, let's try something new.
Okay.
Please close the program.
Close the program?
Yes. Then we can open it again.
Okay, I understand.
Great.
One moment.
Take your time.
Okay, I closed it.
Mia?
Yes?
I think you closed the file folder.
Oh no, really?
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
I closed the wrong thing.
That happens sometimes.
I feel embarrassed.
Please don't worry.
Sorry, Daniel.
It's really okay.
I still feel bad.
You are learning. Mistakes are normal.
Thank you for being patient.
Of course.
Can we try again?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
This time, please look at the blue window.
The blue window?
Yes, the work program is in the blue window.
Oh, I see it now.
Good.
And the white window is the folder.
Exactly right.
Okay.
Now, please close the blue window.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, it is closed now.
Great job.
Really?
Yes, you did it correctly.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
What should I do next?
Now open the program again.
Okay.
Please click the icon slowly.
Okay, I clicked it.
Nice work.
The program is opening now.
Very good.
I feel less nervous now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for helping me step by step.
You're doing well, Mia.
Thanks, I'm trying my best.
And your best is very good.
Okay, the program is open again.
Perfect.
Should I try the file again?
Yes, let's try again together.
Hi. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
What is the problem?
My file will not open.
I see.
I tried many times already.
That's okay. Let's check it together.
Okay,
Which program are you using?
this one here.
Okay, thank you.
I have a meeting soon, so I feel nervous.
Don't worry, we will try our best.
Thank you.
Can you open the program for me?
Yes, one moment.
Take your time.
Okay, it is open now.
Good. Now click the file.
Okay.
What happens now?
The same message appears again.
I understand.
Is it a big problem?
No, maybe not.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes the program needs a restart.
A restart?
Yes. Let's restart the program.
Okay.
First, close the program completely.
Completely?
Yes, make sure every window is closed.
Okay, I understand.
Good.
I closed everything now.
Perfect.
What should I do next?
Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Now, open the program again.
Okay, it is opening.
Very good.
I feel a little nervous again.
That's normal. Tech problems can be stressful.
Yes, they really can.
You are doing well, though.
Thank you.
Now, try the file one more time.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time. What happened?
The file is loading now.
That's a good sign.
I hope it works.
Me too.
Oh, I think something changed.
Really?
Yes, the message is gone now.
Great. That sounds better already.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Hi, Mia. How is it going?
Daniel, I think it is working now.
Really? That's great.
The IT worker helped me restart the program.
Nice. Did it help?
I think so.
Let's check the file together.
Okay.
Please click the file one more time.
Okay, here we go.
What do you see?
Oh,
What happened?
the file opened.
Wonderful.
It's working now.
Great job, Mia.
I feel so relieved.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you for helping me today.
Of course, you did the hard work too.
Really?
Yes, you stayed calm and followed the steps.
I was very nervous before.
I know, but you kept trying.
At first, I thought I could not fix it.
But you did fix it.
Well, with help.
It's okay to ask for help.
I think I understand that now.
Good.
I also learned new computer words today.
Like what?
Restart the program
Very useful phrase.
and please wait a moment.
Excellent.
I feel more confident now.
You should feel confident.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the meeting now?
Yes, I think so.
Great.
I was afraid to ask questions before,
That's normal when you are new.
but everyone was very kind today.
I'm glad you feel that way.
I feel much better now,
Good.
and I'm happy the file is working.
Me too.
Thank you again for helping me step by step.
You're very welcome.
Next time, maybe I can stay calmer.
I think you will.
Really?
Yes, you did a very good job today.
Thanks, Daniel.
Anytime, Mia.
Okay, now I can smile again.
That's nice to see. So, Mia, how do you feel now?
I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you again for helping me today.
You're welcome. You did very well.
I was really nervous this afternoon,
Yes, I remember.
but now I feel more confident.
That's wonderful.
Can we review the steps again?
Of course.
Okay.
First, you told me my computer is not working.
Yes, I remember that.
Then we checked the internet together.
Right, the internet was working.
After that, we checked the program.
Yes, but the file still would not open.
That's right.
Then I closed the wrong window.
Yes, but it was okay.
I felt very embarrassed.
Mistakes happen sometimes.
Thank you for being patient with me.
Of course.
Then the IT worker came to help.
Yes,
First, we closed the program completely.
correct.
Then we restarted the program.
Exactly.
After that, the file finally opened.
Great memory, Mia.
Thank you.
What useful phrases do you remember?
Take your time.
Very good.
It's okay.
Excellent.
Can you help me?
Perfect.
I heard those phrases many times today.
Repetition helps learning.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you still feel nervous about asking for help?
A little, but not as much now.
That is good progress.
I learned that asking questions is okay.
Absolutely.
And I learned to stay calm step by step.
That's very important.
I feel proud of myself today.
You should feel proud.
Thank you, Daniel.
Anytime. I'm always happy to help.
I'm lucky to have kind coworkers.
And we're lucky to have you too.
That makes me happy.
You're doing well, Mia.
Thanks. I feel more comfortable with English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
I will keep practicing.
And you will keep improving.
I believe that now.
Great job today.
Thank you. I feel ready for tomorrow now.
This story had a happy ending. Mia felt nervous and stressed at first, but she stayed calm, asked for help, and solved the problem step by step. And you listened carefully all the way to the end. Great job! Small English practice every day can help you feel more confident little by little. Even simple listening practice is important, so please feel proud of yourself today. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What did Mia need to restart to fix the problem? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English, improve your memory, and remember the story longer. And if this story helped you feel calmer and more confident with English, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow and relaxing English practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle stories for learners, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take your time, keep practicing, and remember, you're doing well. See you in the next English Listening Story.